Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are visiting the Newport Rail Academy. Once we get there, we will have a look at all the different infrastructure around the site. While we do that, we will also do some train spotting, and then we will have a look at the Newport Rail Academy station, which features the HCMT Mockup that was on display to the public in 2018. Here at Town Hall, we interchange to Flinders Street and then catch a train heading in the Werribee or Williamstown direction.
This train will be stopping at all stations to Newport. Right, Southern Cross from Melbourne.
Here is Ecom hauling Evie inspecting the tracks at North Melbourne.
This is a service to Newport. This train will be terminating at Newport. Change here for Williamstown, Werribee, Seacoast, Altona, Westover services.
After arriving at Newport, we are now at the Rail Academy.
Didn't ask for your name.
All of the track here on this side of the fence is not connected to the main line and is solely for the Rail Academy. There is also overhead wires as well as tram overhead wires, but I didn't actually see the tram tracks. I'm pretty sure there is a tram track somewhere because I saw it on the map, but I didn't get to see it myself. They have a level crossing set up, which features both the new and old style pedestrian crossing. As well as this, there is also a tram square. For those that don't know what a tram square is, it's where the train and tram lines cross each other. Here's an example of a tram square at Glen Huntly. This particular one doesn't exist anymore because it got removed by the Level Crossing Removal Project in 2023. The rail line there now goes underneath the road and the trams. Over there is Newport Workshops East Block and Downer Rail,
Well, actually, I don't know if it is yet.
and over here is Newport Workshops West
I
Block.
think they reconditioned.
Heritage Group, Steam Rail Victoria, 707 Operations, and Dermpav are all based here. Here are just some hard hats that were lying around. Now time for the part everyone's been waiting for, Rail Academy Station. As soon as we go in, we are greeted with some Mikey readers, which are the new and current style. And here is the HCMT Mockup. I never thought I would have been seeing the Mockup again after it was on display to the public in 2018. We will come back and look at the passenger area of the Mockup after everyone else has, so there is not many people in the way. In the meantime though, we will go have a look at the cab. Unfortunately, nothing was switched on, but it was still cool to have a look.
I think we can only fit like 3 people.
There is this Ballarat track diagram just lying around. And if we come to the other side of the HCMT, we have a mock-up of the platform screen door. I think this might be slightly different to what's actually in the metro tunnel.
Wait. But they actually got like a metro tunnel mock-up on that side.
I need to get down. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so 6 is actually interlocked. 6 is Number 1.
Here are some signal box levers. One was actually connected. I don't have a video of the signal changing, but here is it before, and here is it after.
I just want to do this bad boy. Yeah, it doesn't work. This is a safe train now. Safe train now. This is another point motor.
Now we will have a proper look inside the mock-up, and first we will start in the trailer car. The mock-up is made of 1.5 carriages. The full-size one is the one with the cab, and the half one is just a trailer car. People who regularly catch HCMTs will notice that the seat patterns are actually different to what got produced for the trains. I don't think anything on the mock-up has changed since it was displayed to the public, and this map is obviously from 2017 because it says Southland Station will be open in late 2017.
I got a funny idea. I've got my maker guard on me.
Now we will have a look inside the full carriage of the mock-up. You may also notice that the shape of the seats is different to what actually got produced. The shape of these seats are what all the seats on the HCMTs actually look like. The other shape, like these ones, never got produced. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look at the Newport Rail Academy and the HCMT Mockup, and hopefully you'll be back to see more videos in the future. Bye for now.